Hi guys, I'm going to share with you some beautiful pictures I took of the longest partial lunar eclipse in 647 years. Now, a lunar eclipse is where it looks like a circular shadow slowly passes over the moon. As you can see in my pictures, when the shadow is covering the moon enough, it looks beautifully reddish-orange. I was surprised at how beautiful it was. Now, to say longest partial lunar eclipse in 647 years might sound a little more spectacular than it really is. Almost any partial or total lunar eclipse is spectacular, but the special thing about this one was that it was nearly total, 97%. And the more the eclipse is, the longer it lasts. The eclipse took place on November 19th, 2021. It lasted from 2:18 a.m. to 5:47 a.m. And I was not going to miss this event. I got up around 3 o'clock to see it on a day I had to go to work. The night before, the weather prediction was cloudy or mostly cloudy, so I thought I would miss it. But guess what, guys? It was a lot better than I thought. So here are the pictures, and afterward I'm going to tell you some information about eclipses. These ones are leading up to the maximum point. This one was 2 minutes after the maximum eclipse point. This one might actually be the best one. Or maybe this one, it's a bit brighter, a bit later. And then this one, see, it's cut out a bit there. It was a while later. That similar with the exposure a bit dimmer and then exposure brighter, and that's it. So there were gaps in the clouds and I could see the eclipse about half the time. For a lunar eclipse, it looks pretty much the same wherever you are on Earth unless the moon's set, but for a solar eclipse it looks different in different places. Only like a sixth of the Earth can see it, but only like a tenth can see much anything of it. And then only like 0.5% can see a total or annular eclipse each solar eclipse. An annular solar eclipse is where the sun looks like a thin ring, and then a total solar eclipse is where the sun goes dark in midday, and it looks like night for like 2 minutes in the day, and you can see stars. It's absolutely amazing. So you probably have only one chance, if any, in your whole life to see a total solar eclipse from where you live. So you might have to travel a bit, but not very far. And I'm really excited because there is supposed to be a total solar eclipse in the near future, only like 5 miles away from where I live. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing so you don't miss your best once-in-a-lifetime event of the sky. And I will tell you before the next eclipse occurs. And please give it a thumbs down. Well, unless for some reason you liked it. This channel is for amazing events of astronomy. I will tell you guys before some of the events come up, and also I will record some of the events and post it on YouTube.